Bonnie, happy Thursday. I keep wanting to say Friday. Oh my gosh, you guys, my days are all mixed up this week, but it's a good day. The sun is shining. Bath and Body Works has a free gift with purchase, and it's Dana's birthday. Oh my goodness. So a little birdie emailed me. I'm so excited, and told me about his wife's birthday. She watches my channel all the time. So I just wanted to do a huge birthday wish to Dana today. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day and it's not snowing in your area and you have lots of sunshine for your birthday. So anyway, like I said, thank you so much for watching, Dana, and a huge happy birthday. So far, Thursday's shaping up to be pretty good. We got sunshine, we got Dana's birthday, and we have a Bath & Body Works free gift with purchase. So I got the email last night. I'm going to put the screenshot up. I'm also going to put the link below because I don't know if this is showing up on everyone's website, you know, when they go to Bath & Body Works. So it says today only, online only, member exclusive early access, 2 free gifts with any purchase, a $20 value. Use the code SOHAPPY. And what you get is you get one of the brand new scent control Wallflower plugins, and you get Laundry Day, the fragrance refill, and if you spend $50, you get free shipping. If only we had a candle sale today, that would be absolutely fabulous. We do still have a soap sale going on, so that's kind of nice. If you were kind of waiting to get the soap, this might be a good incentive. So, I wanted to review this. So this is the new scent control from Bath & Body Works, and they come in 4 colors. They come in pink, they come in white, gray, and sage. And I actually have the pink one, and these are online exclusives. You cannot buy these in stores. So what they say is adjust your fragrance with the new pink Wallflower scent control plug. Simply plug it in and choose from 3 intensity levels, high, medium, or low, to fit every room. Pair with your favorite fragrance refill, which is sold separately, of course. So I got my plug here. Check it out. Oops, I got the wrong end. What the heck? No, this is the right end. Like, what am I doing? I plugged it in. So I'm going to plug this in and show you how these work. So here we go. I'm going to plug it in. And then see on the side here, there is a button. And when you press the button, you go from low, which is 1 dot. You go to medium, which is 2 dots. And you go to high, which is the 3 dots. So it's really easy to operate. And it's pretty. I mean, it's a, basic plug. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your Wallflower refill, and I always, every time I do a video, I always do a tutorial on these because it's confusing. Now, these do have the rotating plug, so if you've got a sideways plug, you can still use these. So I always tell people that because sometimes people forget. You want this to be vertical though, but sometimes your plugs, like in the kitchen or the bathroom, are sideways plugs. So I always like to tell people about that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your refill, and then I always say this, people are probably getting sick of me saying this, but throw out righty tighty loosey lefty. Everything you learned about screwing in a light bulb goes out the window. So there's a little arrow on top which you can barely see, but when you open this, normally you'd think you'd turn it this way. That's like human habit, but it's the opposite way. So you have to unscrew that, and then you've got this wick, and I've actually got the pink lilac and vanilla, which is one of my favorite ones right now. And then what you're going to do is there's a hole underneath here, and you're going to put the wick up inside the hole, and then you're going to turn it the opposite way of what you think it's supposed to be. You turn it to the right. And then it's a little, like I said, it's like you got to play with it a little bit because what you think you're supposed to be doing, it's like the opposite, and it's really confusing. So it actually looks super pretty once it's in. This is not a light up. So right now, I'm going to pop it up to the high intensity. Now I tried these out. What I like about this, it actually does work. I'm super impressed with it. So when you have it on the high intensity, you do get a stronger scent coming through the room. I mean, I can actually smell this starting already, which is really neat, and it's pretty strong. Um, so I think why I like this scent control is that oftentimes we get wallflower refills that are either too strong or they're too light. For example, Paris Cafe is a really strong one for me, and it's almost too strong. So I would put Paris Cafe on the lowest. Now, I did try out the strawberry pound cake, which to me is a little bit on the lighter side. So I popped that one up to the high intensity, and it did feel like it was filling the room a lot better than it usually does. So, laundry day, some of the ones that are really, really strong, um, I like the fact that you can kind of tone those down because sometimes for me, the scent is almost too intense. I can definitely smell this really strong. I haven't tried the pink lilac and vanilla yet. I actually tested the strawberry pound cake. Um, and we have a lot of new ones. We have the Waikiki Beach Coconut, the Island Margarita. Hibiscus Paradise feels like it would be a really strong one. Some of the other strong ones that I've had are like Eucalyptus Rain. I can't even use that one. It's so strong. My mother likes that one. And then like a lot of the foodie ones, like in the fall, I think this thing's going to be awesome in the fall because you know how like blueberry, what is it? Blueberry pancakes, is that it? Blueberry pancake? All my fall scents are going out the window. Vanilla, pumpkin vanilla marshmallow. Like some of those that are on the lighter side. Vanilla pumpkin vanilla marshmallow. I'm too excited, I can't think. Those are going to be ones that I would dial up to the high intensity. The only thing is, it's like, I feel like you can't switch this rapidly. It doesn't like all of a sudden go from high to low within a microsecond. I feel like, if you plug it in on high, that's like the switch you're going to keep it on because then if you put it on low, it's going to take a while to me. That's what I felt like when I used it, to start dialing down the intensity. But this one smells absolutely fabulous. I'm getting it, like I said, already kind of filling the room up. And I haven't even had it like plugged in that long, but I can feel it like in my general area. I'm smelling the pink, vanilla, and lilac, which is awesome. So, just to let you guys know, the middle one is actually the regular Wallflowers scent. The low is a little bit, like I said, less fragrant, which is good for those scents, like, for me, rainforest gardenia, anything with eucalyptus. And then I like to put it on high from, like I said, my scents that I don't get a lot of, intensity on, like the strawberry pound cake. So I think overall, this is a really neat product from Bath and Body Works. I think it was extremely smart for them to do that because it gives people a little bit more control over the scent on these. And especially, coming into like I said, fall, where a lot of those scents are a little bit light, and we do want the higher intensity scents. So I'm super happy with it. I think these are awesome. They're actually, how much are they? I think they're $12.50 here. Wait, let me go back. They're $12.50, so they're not out of control pricey. I don't think they added like an extra price on there for these, which I'm happy about. And if you look at the reviews, we've got like 3 5-star reviews, and then we got a couple that have like a 3-star review. But overall, it seems like people are reviewing these, and they're getting fairly good reviews. So that's a good thing too. So I'm excited about this. This is a really neat addition to the Bath and Body Works fragrance line. So I'm excited. So then when you're done with this, what you're going to do is obviously unplug it. And then what I do is once I get this thing out, I actually only use mine for about like 3 or 4 hours a day, which is another reason I like the high intensity mode because I don't leave these plugged in like all night. So what I'll put this like on high intensity, leave it plugged in for 3 or 4 hours, fill the room with scent, and then I usually unplug it. But once you take it out, what I do is I recap it, and then what I do is I keep my label and I put it back on. Otherwise, you're kind of struggling a little bit, going, "What scent is this?" You're playing guess the scent. So anyway, super thrilled with this. Like I said, today only. They're doing the gift with purchase, which is pretty exciting. If you want to get this, you're going to get one for free anyway. So if you're placing an order, you might as well get it for free. So anyway, if you've tried this, let me know what you think. Happy birthday, Dana. Let's hope the sun keeps shining. And I will see you guys later. I hope everyone has a really awesome day. Bye bye.